is hydrocarbon free, so that means there is no emergency, right? If there is no emergency, you don't need to have some standby provision. So you still want to have a firefighting system on standby mode, because as you mentioned that no active hydrocarbon pipe, but there will be some pipe, there will be some facility which may have hydrocarbon.
Yes, the line upstream of the installation place that may still hold some hydrocarbons up to the choke valve at least. In any case, it will be there. But what we expect is that the system is on shutdown, but the fire and gas system that is there should remain activated for that situation, at least for an alarm.
Yeah, in this case, we need to have a standby provision for rescue and firefighting, rescue team and
Yes.
firefighting team.
Yes.
Okay. Evaluate the need. Evaluate the need. I say evaluate the need.
Yes.
Yeah. Construction schedule. I think. Any idea? I mean, how many days you need to install the 1 Coriolis meter to individual wells?
Yeah, it's not the matter of putting the Coriolis meter. Actually, we have to basically consider this installation of a piping spool, which already carries the pre-installed meters. So basically, this will involve, Santosh will add on here, but this will first involve basically, as you said, the purging. That sequence will be there. Then there will be the demolition of the pipe piece that is going to go there. Then there will be welding and putting up the tie-ins of the new spool piece. And then there will be, I think, hydro testing involved and other things. So Santosh, if I have missed any activity, you may add here, then we can arrive at an estimate.
Yeah, there will be also demolition of fence, excavation for the fence, and installation of new fence supports. That will be part.
Okay. So
and some excavation of cable trenches to put the new cable in the existing cable trenches, and some modification in the existing welded control panel, which will go basically simultaneously with the other activities.
In terms of schedule point of view, I think there should not be any concern, because you are not shutting down the entire facility. You are shutting down the one individual wells, and I don't think any concern. And you are not having any permission to work at night, right? Night work is not permitted. So we are keeping the same concern, same point here also.
Okay.
Yeah. Mob and demob and journey management plan. Yes. So you are going to follow the company NOC procedure for JMP, and road safety policy will be implemented. So no major concern. Speed limit, everything will be there.